Hi everyone, this is Bronislava for HandMadeRukodelky. Today is our number 3 granny square video that we will be working on for our Foggy Dawn Sweater Project. Make a knot and crochet 27 chain stitches. When you have 27 chain stitches, count 9 chain stitches from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Into this 9th chain stitch, make a double crochet. Chain 2. Skip 2 stitches. And make in a third one, make double crochet stitch. And we will repeat chain 2 and double crochet stitch in a third chain stitch, okay? So 1, 2, skip 2, and make double crochet stitch in a third one, all the way to the end. And this is my last double crochet stitch in a last chain stitch of our foundation, okay? And you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares, okay? Turn around, and now you will make 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will make a double crochet stitch into double crochet stitch from previous row. Now you will make 1, 2 chain stitches, and you will make a double crochet in double crochet from previous row. And you will repeat this all the way to the end. When you get to the end of this row, and any other row that you will be doing after this, you will go and make a double crochet, last double crochet in a third chain. So you will count, let me go and turn it around, you will count 1, 2, 3. So here in this third chain, you will make double crochet stitch. You will turn around and you will start with your 5 chain stitches again. 3, 4, 5. You will go in here in a double crochet stitch and make double crochet stitch, 2 chain, and again double crochet stitch in double crochet stitch. Okay, repeat this. And when you get over here again, you will do your last double crochet stitch in a third chain, okay? So you see how it looks now? So when you have 7 squares this way and 7 squares this way, we will be working on our edge. This is my last double crochet stitch for in this part, in the base. Okay, this is our base for the granny square. Turn the work 90 degrees. We will do 2 chain, 1, 2, and we will make 2 single crochet stitches into the space in here, okay? Now we will make 1 single crochet stitch in these chain stitches right here in the one of them in the edge, okay? And 2 single crochet stitches in the space. 1 single crochet here in the chain, and 2 single crochet stitches in the space. We will repeat that all the way to the end. 1 single crochet in chain, 2 single crochet in space. These 3 corners we will do same way, and then the rest of these you will do same way like this. Okay, so let's go get to the corner. We will do 2 single crochet stitches, so this is 1 and 2. Then we will do 3 chain, 1 2 3, and we will do 2 more single crochet stitches. Okay, and I'm crocheting around my tail over here, so I don't have to weave it in. So this is my second one. And now again we will go into this double crochet. You see over here we have chain stitches, because that's from the chain stitches. Over here we have double crochets. Okay, so here we go, 2 into the space, 2 single crochet stitches, and again single crochet stitch. All right, so do this all the way to here, then do the corner, then do what I'm doing right now again from here all the way to the corner, do the corner here, okay, and continue over here, and then I will show you how I will finish this corner over here, the last one. Okay, so I'm finished with my sides, all 3 of them, 4 actually. I showed you how to do this one and then the corner, and then I started doing number 2, 3, and 4th on my own, and hopefully so did you. Okay, and because we started actually here in a corner, so we did half of it, so now we have to finish the other half. Okay, so I will go and do only 2 single crochet stitches. I will make 3 chain stitches and slip stitch it into our second chain when we started the corner. Okay, now after we joined our row, we will continue this way. We will make 2 chain stitches, we will skip 1 chain, and we will make a single crochet stitch in a second. We will make 3 chain stitches, 1 2 3, skip 3 chains, 3 stitches, and make a single crochet in a 4th. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next. Chain 3, 1 2 3, skip 3, 1 2 3, single crochet in a 4th. Chain 1, I'm sorry, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 3, 1 2 3, skip 3, and make single crochet in the next. Chain 1, and now we will work in the corner. Okay, we will make 1 single crochet stitch, 3 chains, 1 2 3, single crochet again in the corner, and now we will start new side, and we will start each side with 1 chain stitch, skip 1, and make a single crochet stitch into next one, 3 chain stitches, skip 3 stitches, and a single crochet into 4th stitch, and again 1, skip 1, single crochet, 3, 1, 2, 3. You see, you go and alternate between 1 and 3, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That in a fourth stitch we made a single crochet, 1, skip 1. In the second one you make single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where we place our single crochet. We make 1 chain, and we're here at the corner. We will make single crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next. Okay, and we're again at the beginning basically of this side, and I will continue with this side and this side until I reach over here, and I will show you how to do this corner again. We will join it. Okay, so I'm at the end of my fourth side, and I wanted to clarify something. I have last two stitches over here, but I usually do 1 chain and then I do that single crochet in a corner, right? So I did single crochet in a corner, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Now we don't have another single crochet in here, so we will make that single crochet in here. Okay, and we started with 2 chain in here, so we will go and join into the very first chain stitch with a slip stitch. Okay, now we will be mainly working with these chain 3 spaces, okay, and the corners. So what we need to do, we need to slip stitch into the chain 3 space. So I will slip stitch in there with 2 slip stitches. If you need 3 slip stitches, then do it with 3 slip stitches. Okay, I did it with 2. And now we will make initial 3 chain stitches, which they count as a double crochet stitch. And here in a chain 3 space, we will make 3 more double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and basically we do have like 4 double crochet stitches in there. Now we need to make 2 chain stitches for here, okay, and 4 double crochet stitches in our chain 3 space. That's 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and then you make 2 chain again and 4 double crochet stitches again in a chain 3 space. One more. All right, chain 2 before the corner, 1, 2, and in the corner we will make 3 double crochet stitches. So this is 1, 2, 2, 3. We will make chain 2, 1, 2. We will make 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's our corner. And again we will start with chain 2, 1, 2. Okay, for this area, and 4 double crochet stitches, and do this all the way through the 4th side. Okay, So 4 double crochet stitches, chain 2, 4 double crochet stitches, chain 2. When you get here, 2 chain stitches before you go and make 3 double crochet stitches, chain 3, 3 double crochet stitches, and then we will start again with 2 chain, okay? And I will show you how we will finish the 4th corner. So continue like this all the way to here, okay? Okay, I'm finished with my 4th row except my corner, so I will finish my corner with 3 double crochet stitches, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochet stitches, and now we need to join it. So I will make 2 chain, 1, 2, and we will join it with slip stitch into our 3rd chain, 3rd initial 3 chain, okay, right there. I made it too tight. Hold on 1 second. We can always tighten it up a little bit later. There, now tighten it up. All right. Okay, so I am finished with my square, another square for this sweater project, okay? And I just wanted to show you, I already did another one before, and this was my in a different color. I'm using 4 colors in here, and I just wanted to show you how I got it already also attached. So basically I started over here and then I attached it here in the corner and on the sides, and that's where I will be attaching all the squares. And you can see that it basically is pretty much the same size as this square, and let me see, and pretty much same size as this square. This is kind of a little bit odd, slightly odd shape because the way it's constructed, okay? So I don't think you really have to worry about it, because once it's attached to the other squares, it's going to look good, all right? But it's like very interesting granny squares. So far we are having 3 different squares. I'm working on a couple more squares so the sweater looks later on a lot more interesting. So watch for my more videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and you will see me later.